So what is a legal structure? A legal structure is a form of business organization. So the terms legal structure, business entity, they're all the same thing. Just depends on who you're talking to. Once you decide on the legal structure for your business, then your rights, responsibilities, and obligations of everyone involved apply. So, who's involved? The key players are generally you, the owner, your partners, your investors, and any potential shareholders. So, why do you need to worry about this? The fact is, you have no idea how well your business is going to do. I mean, it could literally be successful beyond your imaginations. It could far exceed your goals. Or it could not do so well. And not to say this lightly, but whichever way your business goes, you and the business need to be protected. Also, choosing the best legal structure will also be important to your lenders and your vendors because it gives them a level of legal security when lending you money or extending credit terms to you. Your reason for failure, or I should say a reason for failure. Failure to incorporate early. In partnerships, it's common for a partner to drop out early, a year into business or whatever. They drop out early. However, if you decide to go public in the future, your business is doing great, a partner could return demanding some equity because they were one of the original founders. And this could be avoided had you incorporated early, issued shares to the founders. Then at the time that that partner dropped out, did they still hold those shares? Did they sell those shares? It would have been resolved at the point that the partners dropped out. So this is one of the reasons why some businesses fail, because something like that could be crippling.